Hey, I'm Julie Fei-Fan Balzer, and I'm a painter, a printmaker, and a collage artist living and working outside of Boston. And welcome to my studio. So, I appreciated all of your comments on last week's vlog. I thought they were so thoughtful and so encouraging, and I'm glad that you agree with me that ideas don't have to come out of the gate ready to go. You just need to sort of start going and see what happens. So that is actually a tack that I take a lot of time in art making. And this week I took a bit of art that my son made and turned it into something that I made. So one of my son's favorite things to do is to roll out acrylic paint and then sort of mess around with it with a palette knife or another tool. But I give him good paper and good paints because I believe in working with good art supplies. And here you can see I've taken that little creation he was working on and I'm doing what I call a redacted painting. There may be another name for this painting style. A lot of people do it. But in essentials, what you do is you sort of carve out a painting from what's there. So instead of like adding the paint to create these plants, I am in fact carving away at the busy pattern there to create them. I hope that makes sense. But you can see it here, right? I'm painting the negative. Maybe it's called a negative space painting. That might be the formal name for it. I'm not sure. It's a really fun way to take something that's a super hot mess and make it look great, because it sort of doesn't matter how messy the paper is, as long as you use something that has really good color and value contrast, you'll always get a great result. So I ended up monkeying around with it a little bit. I ended up scratching circles into the paint in the back, and then I ended up painting a second color to create this kind of curve here. I'm still not sure that it's totally done. Feels more like an art journal page than a piece of finished art, but I mean, I think that that's part of the process, is evaluating, thinking about it, letting things sit for a while. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to stay up on all of the latest, I hope you'll subscribe to my weekly Friday newsletter. It's totally free. You can find the link in the video description or over on my website at juliebalzer.com. You can sign up for a class in person, online, live online, so many choices. And of course, you can buy some art like this beautiful piece behind me. And you can find that all at juliebalzer.com.